from the two columns with in case or so that. Yeah, so тут нужно первую часть предложения, то есть вот там где 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 соединить со второй частью, там где A, B, C, D, E. Да, ну и сделать из них еще, поставить ее в правильное время.
So be careful in crowded areas or at night. Or что там?
Да, in case или so that.
Or at night in case there are pickpockets or muggers about.
No.
Странно. Не дуже понятно.
Ну да, то есть или in case, или so that. Ну да, тут скорее даже как... да, то есть in case, то есть как в случае, если рядом, ну если вокруг много этих как карманников и ну как их еще muggers, ну то есть грабителей. То есть,
Грабители.
Ну, тут уже, да, второй тоже за нас уже тоже сделали.
Так. Let a family know your travel plans so that they can get in touch with you in an emergency.
Yeah. Так, ну вот остальные три можем уже сами сделать.
Okay. Take out travel insurance.
Insurance.
In case any of your belongings be lost or stolen. Belongings are
Да.
lost or stolen.
Да, только не belongings, а belongings.
Belongings.
Yeah.
Okay. Find out the local address of your country's embassy or consulate.
Yeah.
In case something serious goes wrong at your destination.
Yeah.
Okay. Make photocopies of your tickets and passport. So that they can be replaced more easily if lost.
No, if lost, if they are lost. Yeah, right. Okay, good. Хорошо. Так что теперь тогда давай спустимся на следующую страницу, на 42-ю, page 42, и тут у нас вот future tenses. So first, let's look at the question. Yeah, so like, what are your holiday plans for the summer? Yeah, so here we see like the weather is getting hotter and hotter. I'm going to spend the summer on my yacht. Или, one second. Так, мне надо на секунду отойти, чтобы... Yeah. Okay. So we hear like some different ways to talk about some future um, some future events, for example. Yeah, and the first and the second, yeah, are like plans, yeah,
Yeah.
and yeah, the third one is like a spontaneous decision, yeah, and number four is also like about a possibility.
Uh-huh.
Okay, like that. So now let's discuss your plans for your next holiday. Yeah. So uh, are you doing anything special your next holiday? Maybe you m- maybe you're going to go somewhere
My
on
next
your
holidays.
yeah.
Summer holidays or spring?
Actually, I didn't know you have spring holidays. Okay. So yeah. So if you're doing yeah if you want to do something special on your spring holiday, so you can talk about it too.
Nothing special on spring
Okay.
holidays.
Okay. So what about summer holidays? Maybe you're planning to go somewhere to maybe to another country or to another city.
Mm, maybe no,
So
but I'm planning to prepare to це виходить, як воно називається. Так і буде university.
yeah, to university, yeah, and also yeah, you also need to pass your NMT. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it will be this year. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So I know that I know that there's no any reasons to worry about your NMT of English. I know you will pass it perfectly. Okay. So now you're planning to spend your holidays at home. Yeah.
At home and with my friends.
Good, good. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. To spend it with the people you like. Okay. Okay, I understand. Understand. So okay. No, probably. Uh-huh. Now we can do task number 4. Yeah. So here we need to put the verbs into the correct tenses. Yep. Yeah. So we need to use the present continuous to be going to or future simple.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So Jenny is going to finish her essay before she meets her friends.
Yeah. Yeah. Meets her friends. All right. Absolutely.
So when uh, working Well, when will Sam finish her work tonight?
Yeah. No, no, no. Ili, when is Sam finishing work tonight? Also possible.
To help us back when he gets a job.
Yeah, get a job. Very good. Yeah.
We're not going out now. We're going to wait until Sandra arrives.
Yeah. Absolutely.
As soon as he comes back, I'll
Mhm.
tell him to call you.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, and now, number 5. Let's fill in the correct future form. Now it's only the future form. Yeah.
Okay. Are you doing anything this afternoon?
Yeah.
I'm going to Marcus,
Yeah. To Marcus. Yeah.
for lunch if you're interested.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, oh, that sounds good. I um, I'm going in town this morning.
Ну только не, после going только to может.
I'm going to be.
Yeah, or I will be in town.
I'll be in town this morning.
Ну, или, кстати, наоборот, да. Тут I am going to be in town this morning, а вот дальше уже...
I'll meet you
Yeah. Yeah.
after I finish my shopping.
Yeah, absolutely. Right.
Okay. I'm going to the baker's. Do you need anything? Yes, please, a loaf of bread.
Yeah.
Okay. I I'll get you one.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
We are going to the park later.
Mhm.
Are you crazy? Look at the clouds. It's going to rain.
Yeah.
You'll get soaked.
Yeah.
Soaked.
Yeah.
Просто-таки.
Ну, то есть промокший. То есть как you will get soaked, то есть ты промокнешь.
Ты станешь носком.
Ну, не, там же не так пишется, по-другому пишется. Словно сок.
Ну, звучит же так.
Ну да. Yeah.
Так. Ага. Will you help me clean the house today?
Ага.
Yes, of course. I'm picking Jane up from the station at 3 o'clock. But I'll help you as soon as I get back.
Yeah. 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 Amazing. Amazing. Okay, and now maybe yeah. So now task number 6, and here we need to put the verbs in brackets into the correct tense. Yeah, and yeah, it's probably it's the most difficult one, or yeah, the most difficult and the most interesting, probably.
Okay. Far from Earth.
Yeah.
Do you want a holiday that is really out of this world? Well, how about booking tickets for 2 weeks in outer space?
Mhm.
This uh,
Да, тут может быть не только future, тут может быть и present тоже, может быть
has
и
been this has been a dream of science fiction writers for decades,
decades.
but some scientists are predicted that soon this dream will become a real possibility.
Yep.
It seems that big businesses has also
Только
realized
businesses не может быть has,
have
да.
have also realized that there is plenty of money to be made from taking tourists into orbit. The race is on to build a cheap and reusable spacecraft to carry passengers and freight.
Мгм. Yeah.
Це що таке?
Я, если мне не изменяет память, это, по-моему, что-то связанное со свободой. Ну, вот я не помню этого слова в русском или украинском. Не помню, как это будет на русском. На английском я вот говорю freight, то есть как груз.
Freight. Okay. Once they are in space, the tourists will need somewhere to stay.
Yeah.
A Japanese company has already made
Yep.
has already made plans to build the first space hotel. They say that they will be ready to accept the first guests in as little as 5 years.
Yeah.
The guests will pay more than £40,000
Yep.
and many will suffer from space sickness. But this isn't expected to put off people who are looking for the ultimate adventure holiday.
Yeah. Right, like that. So how do you feel about holidays in space?
Dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous. Yeah, it's dangerous, but would you like to spend your holiday in space?
No.
I understand. And what about a holiday on another planet, for example, on Mars or Venus?
Definitely no.
Understand. Okay. Okay. So let's get down to the next page, and let's begin the task number 7. So yeah, it's not necessary to write 2 sentences. We can just say them. So here you can say firstly 2 sentences about plans for next year.
Okay. Plan for next year. My
Ah,
plans. Next year, I'm. Very difficult question.
yeah.
Next year I'm. Що там в наступному році може бути таке інтересне? I don't know. I don't have plans for next year.
Okay, I understand. Not everybody is Napoleon, so okay. Can you say 2 sentences about your ambitions?
About ambitions.
Oh,
Very difficult question. Тому що я саму суть слова амбіції не розумію.
ну, амбиции это вот какие-то, то есть вот цели в жизни, то есть что-то такое, что ты вот хочешь, чего ты хочешь достичь, чего ты вот прямо очень сильно хочешь достичь.
I want to raise $1 million.
Yeah, that's a good ambition. Yeah. What else?
And and make a time traveling machine.
Okay. So that sounds interesting. Maybe you will be a great scientist who will finally prove to all the world that time travel is actually possible. Okay. Who knows? The time will show. Okay. And finally, can you say 2 sentences about your predictions about the future of the world?
About the future of the world. In the future, after few days after my death, will be відкриття.
Discovery.
Will be discovered healthy mortal, чи як воно там. Безсмертя.
Okay, like, and yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's like, not like, undying, but something like this. Maybe it's
Безсмертя.
like immortality. Yeah, immortality.
Will be discovered immortality.
Yeah, but we can't put words in such an order, because yeah, it's not acceptable to make such an order of words in English. You remember, first we need to put a subject, predicate, and then predicate, predicate. So we can only say immortality will be discovered.
Immortality will be discovered in the
Yeah,
future.
yeah, right. Okay, and the second prediction.
Mm, and the second prediction, time traveling.
Yeah, time traveling will be discovered.
Will be discovered.
Yeah, good, good,
Or,
good.
time, or not time traveling, just will be something like something like in the Star Wars.
Okay. You mean you mean that the spaceships will be able to move faster than the light speed?
Yeah,
Mm. Yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah. I hope it will be possible too. Okay. And what about your hopes and fears for the future?
hopes and fears.
Yeah.
I have no hopes, but many fears.
Okay. For example,
For example, Third World War.
of course, yeah, we are all afraid of that. We are all afraid.
Or will we have no, uh, machine revolution, something like
Yeah,
Terminator.
yeah. Yeah, because artificial intelligence is already very strong, so yeah, so it already can become a problem for the mankind. So yeah. So now I can propose you to remember about conditionals, because conditionals is actually uh, a very important thing. Yeah, it's very commonly used in English. So yeah, so let's remember this grammatical construction too. Yeah. Now let's just remember zero conditional and first conditional, and let's put the verbs into the correct tenses. I guess it will be easy for you.
Восьма права, так?
Хорошо?
Восьма права.
Yeah.
She'll miss the train unless she Unless she comes now.
Yeah.
Okay, if you mix red and blue paint, you get purple.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, I'll come to the concert if there are any tickets left.
Yep.
If you wear the coat, you'll be hot. Too hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
He'll go to university unless he fails his exam.
Yeah. His exams. Yeah.
Exams.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
If you pour oil on water, it floats.
It floats. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand. So, okay. So now we can do something like in exercise 9. So we can here we can make some conditional sentences with using if and when, yeah, and putting the verbs into the correct tenses.
Mm-hmm. Okay, так. If you take the train, you'll get there more quickly. Mm-hmm. Так. When rain stops, we'll go out.
Yeah, because when the rain stops, we will go out.
Yeah. Так.
Mhm.
If I see Tom, I'll invite him to the party.
Yep.
So, if you need to help, oh yeah, if you need help,
Yep.
you can ask John.
Yeah. Yep.
So, if he works overtime, he'll finish the project in time.
Yep.
If you lose your passport,
Mhm.
you should report it immediately.
Now you should report it immediately. Yeah.
Report.
Yeah.
If she has some free time, yeah. If she has free time, she will call on us.
Yeah. Right. Yep. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Yeah. So, and finally, Let's do exercise 10. So, yeah. So let's use these. Things like will definitely, will probably, could, may, or might. So, yeah, you can, yeah, use all these 5 things. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you will use it. You can use uh, the same words a lot of times. Yeah.
Mhm.
So let's make these sentences about yourself. Yeah, so let's make them so they will be true for you.
Мгм. Так, а что у нас написано? If I find a well-paid job, I'll probably buy a house.
Yeah, but you can make another sentence beginning from if I find a well-paid job, so it will be true for you.
If I find a well-paid job, ну, I'll probably buy a house.
Okay, so it's true for you. Okay.
Why not?
Yeah, yeah.
If I get my university degree, I'll definitely get a good job.
Mm-hmm.
If I become famous, I could be on TV.
Mm-hmm.
If I get some time of work, if I get some time of work, то типа відпустка.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ага. Значить, I could go to another country. No, not
To another.
probably New York.
Okay. Understand. Understand. And finally, the last one.
And the last one, if I get married, I will probably have children.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good. 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 Okay. Now, let's do this one. Task 11. So fill in wherever necessary. Yeah.
They were necessary. Mm-hmm. Okay. Значит, holiday destinations.
Yeah.
Venezuela.
Mhm.
Venezuela, це Південна Америка, да?
No.
Ага. Venezuela is a beautiful country in South America.
Mhm.
Да. Which has something to offer to every visitor. There are tropical beaches from where the land meets the Caribbean Sea
Uh-huh.
and the Atlantic Ocean.
Mhm.
To the east,
Uh-huh.
there are the snow-capped peaks.
Но почему the?
Yeah,
Должно быть.
no, the snow peaks,
Uh-huh.
snow-capped peaks of the Andes Mountains.
Uh-huh.
And in the south there
South.
is south.
Mhm.
There is the Amazonian rainforest.
Yeah.
Amazonian. Most tourists come into the country. Most tourists goes into the country by airplanes, by air, landing in the capital city, Caracas.
Yeah.
While you are there, uh, Plaza Bolivar, well, with its architecture from the 17th century, is well worth as visit as is das is не знаю, не знаю. As is the busy
Now the busy. Yeah.
Park Central.
Yeah.
Park Central.
Yeah. Yeah.
Most people, however, come to see the nature wonders on offer. The two of the favorite destinations are Angel Falls,
Yeah.
the highest waterfall in the world,
Mhm.
and Lake Maracaibo.
Yeah.
Maracaibo. Интересно. And Lake Maracaibo. Забыл. More adventure travelers can take a canoe trip up the Orinoco River,
Mhm.
climb Pico Bolivar,
Mhm.
the country's highest mountain, or take a boat trip along the Carao River to Hacha Falls.
Mhm.
It will be the experience of a lifetime.
Yeah. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. Okay. 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 And then we,
Mouse.
yeah. 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 Then we have some tasks and prepositions. Yeah. So let's remember a little bit about prepositions, where to put each of them.
Mhm. Okay. Prepositions. Blah. Так. The whole class was really aesthetic
Enthusiastic.
and enthusiastic.
Mhm.
Uh, мгм. А що тут поставити? Таке.
После enthusiastic we stand about.
Ага. Enthusiastic about the trip to Disneyland Paris.
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 Yeah.
Mhm. Right. And has really put a lot of
Effort. Yeah.
effort on
Mhm.
on planning this holiday, so she thought she will have a really good time.
Mhm.
Так, the management always puts special emphasis
Мгм.
to the comfort of its guests.
Yeah.
Mhm. On the day of the sale, crowds of people gathered before the shop opened.
Мгм.
All eager, have a bargain. Не, не have a bargain.
Yeah.
Bargain. Ну, не знаю. Вообще.
Тут может быть как eager, eager about. Yeah. Yeah, eager about может быть.
Eager about a bargain.
Ага, yeah. Yeah. No. No. Like this.
Mhm. Okay. Are familiar with this part of town?
Тут даже скорее eager to. To.
Eager to.
Конкретно. Да. Eager to. Bargain, да. Мгм. Yeah.
Mhm.
Да, там, наверное, familiar with this part of town. Yeah, right.
San Francisco is famous for its magnificent Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, all of our agents are experienced in all aspects of the business.
Yeah. Right. And last one.
Let's speak to Jeff. He's an expert on travel in Asia.
Но только expert at travel in
Expert at
Asia.
travel in Asia.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's do a little bit of B. So yeah, so let's fill in the correct preposition. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. Prepositions.
Mhm.
To date back. Uh, to get back in 1350s.
Yeah, yeah. Только не, to.
To get back to 1350.
Yeah.
1350 Tower. 1350. To dine in style.
Yeah.
Situated in an area.
Area.
To stand on a hilltop.
No.
Trip to a place.
Yeah, no. Trip to a place. No.
Trip to a place. Ideal.
Ideal.
For suburbs.
В смысле somebody.
Some suburbs.
Somebody. Ideal for somebody. Ideal for somebody.
Ideal for somebody.
Mm.
Open to the public.
Yeah.
To be furnished with.
Yeah, yeah,
And to appeal to somebody.
yeah. Good. And the final exercise for today will be exercise 13. So let's fill in the correct particle. So here we will have some phrasal verbs.
Okay. Tom always cuts through the park on his way home. Зрезая через парк.
Yeah, it can also be like cut off.
Cuts off.
Yeah, cut off the park. Да, может быть, through тоже, да.
Cuts through the park.
Yeah.
John is trying to cut down the amount of sweet food he eats every day.
Yeah.
Время удачи. She forgot to pay the bill, and now her phone is terrorized by FBI. Да. And now her phone's been cut off.
Yeah, вот тут уже cut off, вот именно в таком значении, да.
Обрезанный.
Ну, типа того.
When he read the article, he found that the most exciting part had been cut out.
Yeah.
It's good today, so make sure you do. А что тут? Do up?
Ну, да, do up, то есть застегнуть.
Do up your coat, окей. Так, I could really... Бля. Ой, какие... Да. I could really do with a cup of tea right now.
Yep.
Sooner or later, we will have to do... А тут не знаю. Сложно щось.
По-моему, это будет то ли do on, если не знаю, то ли что-то такое. Да, то ли не что-то вот я помню. Или do on, или do at. Что-то вот из этого, по-моему. Насколько я это. Так, сейчас даже быстро чекну, чтобы точно. Чтобы точно вот убедиться. Тут где-то было. Так, сейчас, секунду, у меня книжка зависла, она у меня вообще закрылась. У меня что-то вообще вылетела программа. Сейчас, секунду. Так. Да, я помню. Хочу точно вот, чтобы точно вот убедиться в том, что я про... Так, секунду. Так. Просто тут... Так, это все еще тайпскрипты. Так. Меня интересует вот где эти аппендиксы. Их... Это невозможно. И где-то тут стоят, но... Так. О, Все, я наконец-то нашел их. Так, вот. В общем. Ну, это у нас будет как... это может быть... Или как, смотри. Это, по идее, как do without.
Do without.
Да. Да, do without, я. Вот. То, что тут мы остановились. Нет, это было еще раньше.
To do without from kings and heavenly kite here.
Да, да. Да, вот. Верно, да. То есть do without, то есть как жить без чего-то, продолжать жить без чего-то. Yeah, like this. Okay. В общем, тогда that's enough for today. Okay. So, your homework. Your homework will be like this. Так, first it's page. Так, сразу несколько. Okay. Okay, like that. So, так, your homework. Так, секунду, не пишет, мне так не пишет. Все, так, теперь пишет, отлично. Your homework. It's firstly students book. Так, page. Так, page 44. Так, exercise 14. Yeah, это у нас 14. Я же не ошибся, да? Да, я не ошибся, все. Отлично. And page 45. Exercise 15. Yeah, like this. Good. Finally. Yeah. So, have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks, and see you next Sunday.
Hey, goodbye.
Goodbye.